Good morning. It is Friday, April 26th. Today I wanted to just get an idea of what total house usage is in one normal day. I've got some dishes to run, some laundry to run, and the family will be home later to watch TV all night, and maybe I got some stuff to do in the shop, so a power tool or two might get fired up, so it'll be just a normal day. So we're going to reset all the meters. The inverter, it's a 24 volt system. Inverter is a Sinbo 3000 pure sine. I've been really impressed with it so far. So far, overall efficiency has been like 83%, which is great. It makes nice clean power, and it's been on the wall for, like 5 years, 6 years. I don't know. I'd have to double check. But going strong. So, we'll look at the numbers. I'm going to reset everything. This meter below is the power going into the inverter. This meter is everything coming out. So that's everything the house is using, and that's everything the inverter is using to make that, because of course there's loss between here and here, taking 12 volts and turning it into 120. There's a little bit of loss. So let's figure out our total usage and our total efficiency. So right now, house is using the inverter is using 123 watts to put out 96 watts. So I'm going to reset the inverters or the meters. Select clear 0. Press and hold. Select clear 0. Okay. So current usage going in, I got 123, coming out 96. So we'll figure out our efficiency, and then sometime through the day, I want to try and time out the spin cycle on the wash machine and the wash cycle on the dishwasher, if I can get everything running all at once. I'll get another efficiency measurement, because a bigger inverter is going to be way more efficient. Like, I should be able to get this close to 95% efficiency on your bigger loads, whereas right now my live efficiency is probably pretty low. When a big inverter is just petering off a little bit of power, it does it relatively inefficiently. But when it's putting out, a little bit closer to what it can actually make, it gets really efficient. So we'll try to test that out later. I'm going to let the sun come up a little bit. It's currently about 12 watts. Up and down. Oh, 60. Yeah, there's a couple little gusts outside. Little bit of power coming in from wind. Just starting to get some light on the panels. So about 400 watts coming in from solar. I'm gonna have to move my spotlight there. Yeah, I'm getting really bad glares on all these meters. So before I come back, I'll move that and what her battery's at. 25.5. Okay, so maybe we'll write that down too. 25 volts. Okay, so we'll check back in a bit. I'll try to do a load test, and then tomorrow at 9 a.m. we'll be able to see to the watt hour exactly what the house used and then exactly what the inverter used, pulled out of the batteries to make that. Figure out our efficiency and, you know, just for fun. All right, stay tuned. All right, so I should be able to get this to time out. I'm hoping. I got the wash filling right now. The fridge is running. The deep freezer is running. And the dishwasher is about to kick in any second here. We're currently using 307 watts out of the batteries, 276 watts out of the inverter. As soon as the washer starts to pulsate and the dishwasher kicks into wash mode, we should be able to get over 1,000 watts here. And if not, I can simulate some loads. Oh, there we go. This is just the wash machine and my fridge and my deep freezer and the Wi-Fi and some lights in the house. Like, we've got really efficient stuff. So about 550 for a peak. Oh, 543. That was a big peak. Let's say like 500. Well, there it goes again. So 570. Oh, there we go. The dishwasher just kicked on. 1,000, 1,200. So close to, let's say, 1,100. And 940-ish. Now, you can tell already the efficiency is going to be way better on that. Earlier this morning, we were looking at 78% efficiency. That was what was currently running. I'll do the math on this. Oh, good morning. It's the next day. It's about 9:30 today. So I'm about a half an hour behind. But, so, what we accumulated on the DC side. Currently using 270 watts. We've accumulated 4,751. So let's write this down quick before it clicks again. 7451. 751 and 46. Currently using 269, 239. So I'm gonna quick turn the camera off, do this math. Everything else is doing really good here. Got 1300 watts coming in from solar. Power coming in from the wind. Oh, of course, I put the camera on and it ducks away. It was just making like 300 and some watts. The wind is gusting pretty good out there. No, I guess it's gonna be shy. Oh, 140, 150. There we go. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna do some math quick, be right back. Alright. Well, so live efficiency right now is 88%. Overall efficiency for the last day is 85%. And we used 4.7 kilowatt hour. From yesterday morning till today morning, well, is what came out of the batteries. The inverter produced, well, 40 point, technically I think I'm supposed to round up there, so 4.1. Turbine actually produced like a kilowatt hour and a half since yesterday. That's pretty cool. I did not see what the solar made at the end of the day yesterday, but it's another cool feature. These, they log what you produce day by day. Yeah, so far today I've made 1.8 kilowatt hour. This month I've made 125, and since the last time I reset it, I don't remember when that was. I want to say last year June, so you know, that's about a year's worth of electricity. 7,484 kilowatt hour. Not a lot